No, we're not.
Do you agree with me?
Nobody's working
And the
with
floor
that.
manager just manage the band. All right, serious stuff, folks. 2 senior FLA employees dismissed, and the FLA means Firearm Licensing Authority. Why? This has been going on for a while and don't seem like we're going to have any end in time. Now, Gleaner sources say the number of suspicious files submitted to the Major Organized Crime and Anti-Corruption Task Force. Now, that has increased from 100, we were told. It's now reached 257. Among those reportedly dismissed is a director of the agency who was named in a damning letter by an alleged whistleblower inside the FLA, and another staff member was reportedly close to the director. So the letter, the whistleblower claimed that the director and his crony used their offices to abuse, intimidate, and bully staff into executing corrupt demands.
Wow.
Which means, folks, they are saying that all kinds of people who have a licensed firearm shouldn't have one.
Enough.
What kind of madness that? So you're going to get somebody who shouldn't have a gun.
Because you can get a money off of it, or you can.
Yeah, but that don't make no sense. No wonder how so much people get shot. That don't make any sense at all.
I agree with you. It
I mean,
doesn't
they
make
said
sense.
alleged,
It's being done.
and alleged mean them don't prove it yet, so I don't want to jump out and give anybody a hard time. But it's just 257 people walk up and down. This is what it said.
That
257
we're not supposed
people
to have
walking up and
gun,
down with a licensed firearm who are not supposed to have one.
That's pretty much it.
Wow.
I didn't even know that there were so many guns licensed and.
You more listen to me, you know. And them says, you're right, I don't care. If you're not a police or a soldier, you must not have no gun. And if them find you with a gun, you must get life.
Wow.
Simple. 20 years.
You couldn't live a foreign right now.
No, because that's hurting us, you know.
Of course it
Is that
is.
hurting
I
us,
totally
you know?
agree with you this morning on that one.
That don't make no sense, man. That don't make no sense that we have so much people out there with guns. And then we are already an aggressive
Right.
people in the first place. you
So
just
anything
mad ride
happen,
a man
all of a
and
sudden,
man
man
beneficial.
pull out gun.
Yeah, because you decide so you're not going to let him out. I see a man get so mad the other morning because a man wouldn't let him out. The man have the right,
Traffic.
you know. So him come out and the man decides he's not going to let him out, which is the man's right. Well, I never see nobody get so upset. The man nearly turn over the choke the way and start cuss the man, and the man have the right not to let him out.
Right.
I don't understand
Him
that.
just mean, and so it go.
No, but it's not, you alone have somewhere to go. You know.
I
So
know,
if you want
I
me to let you out and I'm in the right and I decide I don't want to let you
And
out
I don't have the
because
time
I have
to.
somewhere to
Right.
go to, you shouldn't be upset with me. No, if it's your right and I go on like I don't want to let you out, that's fine. But no, man, that don't make no sense. Anyway, we move on.
We move on. The CBU president,
Which is our
CBU
boss.
meaning the Caribbean Broadcasting Union, who is Gary Allen, and you know that name sounds familiar because he is the CEO of the RJ Gleaner Communications
He's
Group.
actually the managing director.
Yes, sir. Managing director. He has urged regional media to sharpen their focus on
So he's
press
the CEO?
freedom while underscoring the value of existing indigenous broadcasters to the region's continuing development. They're actually in the Bahamas. They were at the opening ceremony of the 48th Annual General Assembly in Nassau, Bahamas. And they were telling everybody, you know, that we have a pretty good track record in terms of freedom of press. But, you know, there are some people who are still under the bondage, and so we are encouraging them to sharpen their focus and allow a little more press freedom in the Caribbean.
Yep. He says, and I quote, whether it is in Venezuela where journalists are at risk, or it is with Al Jazeera being shut out and marginalized in some areas, we must be intolerant of actions that hinder press freedom. We must always be on the side of a free media. Yes, a responsible media, but one that is truly free because there are no laws, no regulations, and no policies curtailing the access to or freedom of the media to hold those in authority accountable, especially as they exercise power.
That sounds so...
Yep. He says there is work to be done in highlighting the value of the existing indigenous media industry to the region's continuing development.
That sounds like a presidential speech.
Yeah, well, he's the president.
Speaking of
So
presidents...
He's the chief executive officer
Yes.
of the RJ Gleaner Communications Group, but he's the managing director of here.
Yeah.
That's up? Yeah, I know I'm right. Trump on the rampage.
Speaking of presidents...
Which is not as surprising.
I cannot anymore. I cannot with this. I feel like I am literally addicted to CNN because of all of this. And
Yeah. Well, this is interesting because Republicans, and he's a Republican, Republicans are questioning whether Donald Trump has the temperament and the capacity to serve as president.
Yes, they're actually
Impeach him.
asking. Yes. What are they waiting on?
must
They're waiting
impeach
on Miller to dig up some
I've had enough
important information.
I've had enough of the great Donald.
Did you see the thing yesterday? The speech that he gave
Yep.
in Phoenix?
Well, let's look at a video.
We have a video of it. Let's see a piece.
We don't have a video.
No?
We're standing by for the video. See, the band could have played now.
Oh, mercy. We're not having an all
Well, on
band
the gun.
Wednesday. Don't! I tried.
Right? Okay, car.
There we go.
Is he a racist? Is he a racist? Then I did a second one. So then I did a second one. Don't bother, it's only a single voice and not a very powerful voice. How did he get in here? He's supposed to be with a few people outside. How about all week they're talking about the massive crowds that are going to be outside? Where are they? Well, it's hot out. It is hot. I think it's too warm.
Did you see the gentleman with the sign behind him? It says Blacks for Trump. This means what though? That's interesting.
Do you want my honest opinion?
No.
Okay.
Okay, you'll get yourself in trouble.
I won't get myself in trouble.
It's time for some birthdays.
But yeah, let's go to the birthdays.
Well, I don't have any, but on Monday, and I didn't say it, I said it to her personally, but Carlette's birthday was on Monday. Carlette
Happy
Leon.
birthday,
Who was my bona fide sister. I did tell her happy birthday, but I didn't tell her happy birthday on here. Whose birthday?
Who's your birthday?
DeAndre Richards. DeAndre, that was yesterday.
Londa said happy birthday.
All right, happy birthday, DeAndre.
I have one. Nicola
Today
Reed.
is the great Cleveland.
Hello.
Where that burn birthday today?
It's. I don't know. Could you tell me when the man out here putting on?
That man there birthday?
Happy birthday. Seriously?
It's
Oh
not
my
February
goodness.
29 in Ban. Cleveland, come here, please. Cleveland.
I can't believe it.
I don't know. Get up and leave the mic and come. Hey, boy.
You
What's
call the
him
big
now
man
moving?
a boy?
Him have a
man is
radio
a-
face, which is
him
why
have
him
a
don't want to come
birthday.
out here.
He's
No, him
heard.
don't shy. Him just have a radio face.
Happy
You don't want to
birthday,
see him so
though.
early in the morning. But he's the reason you are hearing us. So turn down my mic now, make us see if you work.
All right. He's also the reason when we chip out why you're not hearing us too. So. They can put him back now. You know you don't have nothing to do. Happy birthday, Cleveland. I'm going to give my birthday now. Is this okay? Happy birthday to Nicola Reed, who's all the way into Florida, into foreign, but she's celebrating her 30th. I don't even think she wanted to tell people how old she is, but a happy birthday to you from all your friends and family who's still out there and all those overseas as well. She's not 45 years old. Happy birthdays, everybody celebrating birthdays today.
We'll make the dream become a reality. I know we will. Because our hearts tell us something.